Hello, today we're going to put together this Geyueya Home stainless steel 2-tier dish drying rack kitchen storage organizer. Well, first of all, it comes with this lovely set of instructions right here, and then the hardware to put this thing together. So, first off, we're going to put this out of the way a little bit. We're going to get the box. We're going to put the pieces down. Everything out of the box. We'll start with the bottom half. It looks like it's pretty simple. They have pretty much everything ready to go. You just take the nuts off of the one side, and then slide it on. Make sure that the nuts are far enough back that they get the other part on. One, and I drop the other one in there. Here it is, right here. Go all the way to the end, on the inside. I should have went all the way to the inside of this one. Alright. This one on the opposite side, we'll do the same thing. It'll have a normal nut on the inside and a cap nut for the outside. So, then what we do is we make sure they line up nice and pretty. And we screw those end cap nuts on. Both sides all the way to the end. Alright, there's the first part. Take these and put them up here. The next tray. Alright. I believe this is the way it goes. It's what it looks like in the picture. The little hump part will be on the bottom. And again, we have an end cap nut and a lock nut on the inside. So just back those lock nuts off, pull the end caps off. Both sides will have it naturally. Alright. Now, make sure you just put it in the little holes. that one. Alright. Now you screw the end caps on there. All the way till it stops. Same thing on this side. Pick up any of the slats on the back side with the nuts. Lock nuts. Alright. Now, we have these great little pieces that go on there. We just have to look and see how they fit on. Doesn't look like it's too hard. One drapes on that side and this one drapes on the other. Okay, well it came with a bunch of anchors and screws, but I don't think you're really going to need them unless you're going to put it on the wall. If you're going to bolt it to your wall, I guess you can do that. And then it also comes with all the little rubbers for the bottom of it so it doesn't scratch your counter all up. Those are kind of nice. So you have 4 of those. Those I'm going to put on right now. So we don't get anything crazy going on with our countertop. Just slide them on. It's nice. And this one goes on. It's nice. Little boots for the legs of these. Keeps everything nice and level. Alright. And then it came with a nice little wrench. Nice little wrench to tighten up these nuts. These safety nuts on the inside. Lock nuts. Snug them up nice and tight so you're
You say thank you. You say thank you.
Well, thank you for watching this video on me fixing this lovely dish rack. It's a very nice little dish rack. Looks like it could hold quite a few dishes.